Zebronics wireless keyboard and mouse combo. It has 2.4 GHz with Indian rupee key. This is Indian rupee key. It has nano receiver, 1200 dpi, high precision, plug and play, and 3 button LED indicators. This is mouse. And let's see this keyboard features. It has low battery LED indication, rupee key, power saving mode, UV printed keycaps. And let's get to specification. It battery requires 1 AA battery. For mouse it requires 2 AAA battery. Package contains keyboard, mouse, nano receiver, and its rate is 999 rupees, but in Amazon it is 700 rupees. Let's unbox the Zebronics wireless keyboard and mouse. Wow, this is a keyboard and this is the mouse. Let's see the keyboard. Let's see this keyboard, and this is the 3 LED indications buttons, and this is the Indian rupee key, which has this keyboard has 104 keys, and this is number lock. And this is the back side of this keyboard. It requires 1 AA battery. Yes, this only requires 1 AA battery. This is Zebronics new keyboard, which has 104 keys, and this is mouse. This mouse requires 2 AAA battery. You have to insert 2 batteries in that mouse, that is AAA battery. And this is receiver, which is to connect from mouse to the PC. This is a Zebronics mouse. It's good looking. This is mouse. For this mouse it requires 2 AAA battery. Let's insert this 2 AAA battery. Inserted first battery and inserted second battery. Now the mouse is on, and let's connect battery to the keyboard. It requires 1 AA battery. Let's connect this 1 AA battery to this keyboard, and I connected it. Wait, it's not closing. It's closed. Let's take this receiver and connect this to. Now this battery is, the mouse is on. Let's see. Number lock indication button is working. Caps lock off, on, off. Thank you guys.